My hot tub is leaking out of an air hole for the bubbler. Is it only covered with foam? How is this built?
Hello. My name isXXXX'll do my best to help you with your leak. I will need a little more info to help me understand your issue and how to fix it. What is the year/brand/model of your tub? Do you have an air injector leaking? Is it broken cracked.ect? Can you send pictures so I can best understand what is leaking and what brand of injector it is? Any details will be helpful. Remember, I am not there, so you need to be my eyes and hands. Pictures are very helpful and often worth 1,000 words. Standing by, Todd.
Okay, I'll try taking a pic. It's an older fiberglass shell with the plumbing around the outside. Sunken, surrounded by deck. I have dug up all around it and all the jets and intakes are okay. It's obviously pouring water out of the same location a bubbler hole is. I can see it. When the water level gets below that hole in the seat, it stops leaking. I'll try to send a picture. Oh.
Okay, thank you. Do you have individual air injectors or fiberglass air chambers with drilled holes in the shell? Or are you leaking from the blower plumbing or blower from a bad air check valve? I'll wait for pics that will be most helpful. It sounds like quite a job with the tub sunk in a deck. Standing by, Todd.
Okay, I will try to send pics tomorrow when it's light outside. The holes are drilled into the fiberglass shell. Yes, I've done quite a bit of deck removal and digging.
Okay, I'll check back in the morning for pictures. If your tub has the old style air chambers, it would be very unusual to be leaking through the fiberglass. Standing by, Todd.
Where do I email pics?
Hello, you upload pics using the paperclip icon. If you cannot figure it out, not the easiest method for sure, just add @gmail.com to my screen name and I will keep an eye out for them. Please keep all other communication through this site only, just the rules I have to follow. I will check back in the morning. Good night. Best regards, Todd.
I send pics of my hot tub. The little air hole is where the pine needle is laying.
Okay, I will check them out and get back soon. Thank you, Todd. Okay, got the pictures. I have looked at your pictures and without having eyes on it in person, I am having a difficult time understanding exactly where you are leaking. It really is not obvious to me just from the pictures. I know you are there, but I am not. I hope you understand. Now, the air hole you refer to is actually a chamber that typically has a flexible PVC or some other piping below the shell and then completely covered with fiberglass sealing the entire air chamber. Then the holes are drilled. There is usually a pipe coming out from that sealed chamber and glues or connects to the blower plumbing. The blower will usually have an air check valve as well as what is called an anti-siphon plumbing loop that will be U or W shaped and rise above the water line once or twice, making an air loop under the shell. Without seeing it, I am skeptical it is leaking from that air hole or the blower chamber. All the air holes are essentially connected to one another. I would love to help you, but I really don't think online support is best option in your case. Normally we deal with troubleshooting and mechanical issues. If you have a plumbing or jet leak, then maybe I can better advise or instruct you on how to repair it. I have never seen a fiberglass shell leak unless cracked by a tree limb or some large object. Even the acrylic blisters that may bubble and peel away still have a thick fiberglass backing that is waterproof. If you would like to continue, I really need more specific detail or to visually see the leak. Perhaps a video. But I have not seen fiberglass shells leak before, and if that is the case, you may be chasing the wrong area for the leak. Leaks can be very difficult to determine where they come from sometimes, especially with foam on the shells. Water takes the path of least resistance and will often run down shells under foam and follow pipes to lower spots and drip down. Do not assume the water level stopping at a certain level is where the leak is. Water pressure decreases as the level falls, and leaks will sometimes stop, or any water in any plumbing that is leaking anywhere in the tub will cause the water level to stop at that height as well. If in fact the air chamber is leaking, then that is a fiberglass repair and I cannot help you. I can see you have really dug in there, and I totally understand the effort and trouble you have gone through to even get under the tub to check it out. Sunk-in tubs are nice until then they are really a challenge. Standing by. Todd.
Thank you anyway, Todd. I appreciate all your expertise and input. With the info from your last response, I'm assuming I need to dig deeper. Whether that will be physically or figuratively, only time and work will tell. Thanks again and Happy New Year.
Good morning, good luck. Finding leaks is sometimes the greatest challenge, and sunk into the deck like you have just makes it more difficult and frustrating. Come back if you have an update and would like to continue. Happy New Year to you too. Todd.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.